Marketing a business on social media can have a huge impact on your ability to attract customers, but where to get started, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you should be doing for your house cleaning business if you want to attract more customers from social media. And we're going to learn how to do this even if you're not a big social media person, even if you don't have a social media presence for your business right now. Don't worry, these tips are going to apply for beginners and seasoned pros alike to make sure that you're doing the right things that are going to help you drive customers. But first, why is any of this important in the first place? So if your business runs on referrals, like a lot of house cleaning businesses do, you have to realize that just getting a text from someone with your name and phone number, what do they want to do, right? When they learn your business, the first thing we do as consumers is we go online and just check out a little bit about the business before we hire them for their service. Social media and your website are the two places they're going to go. If you don't have a website already, click on the link below for a $9 a month simple professional website from Mighty Sites. There's a free trial. And you need to set up a little bit of basic social media so that people can see who you are, what you do, and feel that trust factor in hiring your business. So without further ado, let's jump right into these tips to make your social media presence shine and help you attract more customers for your house cleaning business. All right, first up, make sure you're doing before and after pictures. Imagine showing a room that's super messy, like after a huge birthday party, and then snap, it's spotless. People love seeing transformations. All right, that's gonna really demonstrate your cleaning shows. Just make sure you get permission from your customers first before you post them. Tip number 2, make sure you become the go-to person for cleaning tips, right? Share short videos or fun cleaning tips. Think how to clean a microwave in under 5 minutes, right? Your followers will appreciate these gems and they'll remember your business when they need a deeper clean. All right, next up, let's talk about chatting. Reply to comments, ask questions, create polls. Imagine asking, what's the one cleaning task you wish you could skip, right? Engagement is key in social media. So just friendly chit chat is important to keep the conversation going and build a relationship with your followers on social media. All right, tip number 4, use local hashtags, right? Like Miami cleaning or Seattle sparkle, right? It's putting a little digital sign in your neighborhood. Local folks who need cleaning will find you much easier. You're kind of localizing the content. Capitalize on using local hashtags to help make your business stand out in the relevant community that you serve. All right, next up, partner with local businesses. Maybe do a joint giveaway on social media or like and comment on each other's posts or do like joint posts like on Instagram, things like that, right? It's going to show that you collaborate with other local businesses and you're part of the fabric of the community. That builds trust. Next up, post consistently, right? Just like in regularly cleaning, post regularly, maybe every Tuesday and Thursday. Your followers will start to expect and look forward to your tips, your stories, or your before and after photos. And last tip, shine a spotlight on your team and on happy customers. Share a picture of your team member of the month or a video testimonial from a satisfied customer. It's like showing off that you're really good at what you do and that you have happy customers, because potential new customers will see that video and see themselves in that customer that's already satisfied with your work. It makes them more trusting and more likely to hire you. So there you have it. There are some tips to make your house cleaning business shine on social media. Remember, it's all about connecting with people and showing what you can do for their home. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great tips. If you do need a website still, click on the link below. It's the best way to get a simple website up for your house cleaning business.